Glam Squad, welcome back to another episode of Beginner's Guide to Makeup, the series that helps busy women with their makeup struggles in just a few easy steps. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create this very quick and easy eye makeup look. It's so easy, it's quick, and it's perfect for work, school, daytime, or even if you're not a big makeup person, if you just want to wear a little bit of eye makeup for a night out or out for dinner or something like that. So it is such a versatile look, so simple. It's actually one of Kylie Jenner's go-to looks. I've seen her do it so many times, or her makeup artist chooses it for her. But it's such a versatile look, and it's going to suit all eye colors and all eye shapes as well. You just have to change the direction of your wing depending on your eye shape. So without further ado, I'm going to jump straight into the video, but before we get started, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe before you leave this channel. It would mean the world to me. And also, I want to hear from you guys. I want to know what videos you want to see in this Beginner's Guide to Makeup series. Is there anything you're struggling with? What are your biggest makeup struggles? Please let me know in the comments, because I want to create videos for you guys. The reason why I created this series is to help you with your makeup struggles. So if there's anything at all you're struggling with, please do let me know. I want to create a video on it. And a lot of you have also asked me for a tutorial on hooded eyes, and don't worry, I haven't forgotten about it. I was trying to get a model, and it looks like no one's willing to come on camera, unfortunately. So I haven't forgotten. That video is coming up in the next week or two. So without further ado, let's get into it. For this lesson, you will need shadow shields, 3 eyeshadow brushes, a large blending brush, a small blending brush, and a pencil brush. You will need a neutral eyeshadow palette. You will be using a transitional brown shade, a shade that's a little bit darker. You will need a dark brown or a black if you want something a little bit more smoky, and then a highlight shade for the brow bone and the inner corner. Next, you want to decide on the angle of your wing. So usually you would go from your lower lash line right up to the end of your brow. This is going to lift the eyes. However, if you have monolids or hooded eyes, you will want to create the wing a little bit more outwards, so it's going to elongate the eyes. This also looks great on prominent eyes or really small eyes. So this is why I like to use a shadow shield, because you can place the shadow shield down and that will take the pressure off you, so you don't really have to think about where you're putting your wing. The shadow shield is going to do the work for you. Taking your large blending brush and your mid-tone transitional shade, you just want to blend this back and forth across the crease of the eye. Hold your brush at the end of the handle for the least amount of pressure and control. You just want a wash of color over the lid. Then you can go in with your smaller blending brush and that eyeshadow that's just a tiny little bit darker than the first one. And again, you just want to pack this onto the lid and blend it right through the crease. Make sure there's no harsh lines. Now you can create your wing. You want to take your pencil brush, and again, like I said, the shadow shield is going to do all the work for you. All you have to do is place down your wing and then start to smoke it out towards the inner corner of the eye. So you're just creating a liner with the dark brown eyeshadow. You could also use black if you wish. I like to use brown as it's a lot more natural and softer for daytime as well. And you can decide on the thickness of your wing, or if you just want something very soft and sultry, but I would recommend going back with your blending brush and just smoking it out so it looks really, really soft and sexy and sultry. You also want to take a little bit more of that dark brown eyeshadow and just place a tiny bit just on the outer corner of the lower lash line and connect it with the wing, just to tie the whole look together, and this will really bring the focus to the outer corner of the eye as well. And then you can finish off with mascara or lashes of your choice. Another top tip is to take a cotton bud or a Q-tip and to push down on the false lashes, and this will just make sure that they are connected to your real lashes and everything is stuck down properly. You can just get a little bit closer and then kind of go in with a little bit more pressure than you would with a tweezers or a lash applicator, just to make sure everything is connected properly. You don't have to worry about poking yourself in the eye. You can also use a Q-tip to apply your brow bone highlight and your inner corner highlight as well. It's the perfect size eyes and saves you cleaning a brush. So that's pretty much it. I really hope you enjoyed this week's makeup lesson. Please let me know in the comment section what you would like to see in my next beginner's guide to makeup lesson. I really hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I hope I get to see you in my next one. Bye!